So in this video we discuss about one of the questions that we get so often, and that is if I have a tour and I want this tour to start from another scene in my output in the front end. What are the possible solutions? So the first solution is that you come to your editor, to the Panorom Editor, and you right click on the scene that you want to set it as the first scene, and you will set it as the first scene. For example, here I make the second scene as the first scene, and when I refresh the page, it is started from the second scene, right? Let's put it back at the first scene on this scene, and I save it. So there are also two other ways to do that. So one of the ways is that here at the shortcode, I just add another parameter which is start, and this can be equal to the scene ID. For example, here I put the scene ID 3. That means this one here is the scene ID. The digit that you see at the top of your at the top of the thumbnail is actually the scene ID. So here I would say that while the first scene is here, but I want the tour to start from scene ID 3. So here I added start equal to 3, and then I save it, and when we go to the output and refresh, yes, this is starting from the scene ID 3. There is also another way to do that, and that is by adding a query string parameter of panorom underline start. You can see here in the URL, I add a new parameter, panorom underline start. And let's say, for example, here start from scene ID 2. And when I click yes, and this one is starting from the scene ID 2. So there are these three ways. First one, changing the first scene from here, but if you want to keep it the same and you want to use the same tour on the other page, starting from another scene, there are two other ways. One to add this start parameter, and the other one to add this query string panorom underline start equal to the scene ID.